I'm balding. I'm balding. I'm going to have to pick it out while eating. Everything's fine. I want to eat it every day for the rest of my life. Like, we all have 20 minutes, you know. I think chef's kiss.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Good morning. It is 6:42 and I woke up at 6 because today is a Sunday. Week is starting tomorrow. I don't want to feel like I'm not able to manage my things. So we are back at it again. And I have slept well. I think I went to bed at around 10. I was asleep by, I don't know, 10:40, 10:45 I think. I was just yeah, I think I was working on my laptop, but yeah, I think I should probably try and not look at a screen for a few more minutes before going to bed. But otherwise, I had a good sleep. I think I didn't have any issue falling asleep, so everything's fine. I am having my protein coffee and also cream cheese sourdough toast. I think I'm missing avocado now. I don't know, I think cream cheese toast just hits different, and also there's another reason why I like it so much is because I don't know, the last time I ate it before trying it now, I did not like it. So I think that's why it just feels so much better, because I don't know, I think I really wake up and I wanna eat it. So I have an avocado as well, but yeah, sadly I'm not eating that. But okay, so I'm going to have this, and also today I'm starting a new program. I have found one. I think it's Strong 20. It's by Nourish Move Love. My sister-in-law likes doing her workouts and she suggested, so I will be doing that. I have done her beginner 30-day workouts last year, but I think I will do this. I think the name is Strong 20. Let me check. I already checked yesterday, and I think, and also the workouts are like 20 minutes long. I checked a few videos and I feel like that just fits right in my morning. So yeah, it's Strong 20. So we'll be starting with that today, and I'm going to have this and get to my workout in some time.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. So many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just tell me, mama, I'm trying to keep it in sober, sober, sober. Oh, simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. I keep stepping off all times I'm laughing over. I keep wanting you too long. I keep tripping on myself, thinking you're my lover. I've been way too long. Honestly, baby, I can't tell you why we can't be standing by each other's side. I wanna know my true feelings.
Just finished the workout, and what a workout! It was a 20-minute workout and she squeezed everything in. It's by Nourish Move Love. The program that I started from today is Strong 20. And wow, like 20 minutes and I am sweating. I mean, since it was a 20-minute workout, and also the exercises felt like that, so I used my heaviest dumbbells, 5 kg dumbbells, and only for chest flies or laterals, that was the only one move where I felt like I want to do lightweight, so I used my 1 kg dumbbell. But other than that, the whole workout I did with a 5 kg dumbbell, and oh my god, like the impact, like all the moves were too good, like really happy. I mean, especially during a weekday, I think this just fits right in. Like 20 minutes, that's all you need. 20 minutes. Like we all have 20 minutes, I think so happy with the workout. And I think impact wise also, I feel that it was challenging, and I also got to do it with my 5 kg dumbbells, because usually I don't know, usually the workouts are longer, I want to preserve my energy, and I tend to use my 3 kg dumbbells a lot of the times. But I think today's moves were like deadlifts, squats, and all of that. I think I am comfortable using my heavier weights. So good workout. It is 11 o'clock and I thought I'll have my breakfast. I was basically editing yesterday's video, and yesterday I don't really have that much time during weekdays, so yesterday while making pancakes I kind of recorded the whole video. It is so difficult to just get through a longer video, but since today is Sunday, I have that time, so I was basically editing that, and I am not yet done. And also I am wearing my skincare t-shirt, like this is loose fitted, reaches my knees, not really, but like you get the idea. So I want to do a little skincare, I want to oil my hair. I'm balding, like this is not improving, and my dandruff also is just not yeah, that's just, yeah, we are not talking hair health because it's not going great. But anyway, I'll have my breakfast, which is chia pudding with kiwi, and also I am taking creatine. And I think the last 2-3 days, I think I just, whenever I'm a little bit off my routine, I just forget about taking supplements. So I have not taken it in 2-3 days, but I'm going to have my supplements. I take a few, so I try and not take all of them all at once. So I'm going to have some right now, and then the rest probably with dinner. So let's see. Today I have a lot of work. I have to meal prep, I have to do laundry because I was lazy the last 2 days and I didn't really do any of my weekend chores. So today is going to be fun. Let's go. Oh, mirror is not clean. Oh, I gotta clean it. Ooh. Okay, anyway, so I was just checking my hair. Basically I have put my lunch to cook, so I wanted to eat something soupy. I wanted to eat something soupy yesterday also, but I didn't because the pancakes turned out to be good. So I have put ramen today, and along with that I have put 2 eggs to boil. And I was just checking my hair because I can see that I'm balding. Well, that is one issue, but my hair fall has improved over the last few months. Whenever I start losing hair, this is where it goes from, this and this. So I do see that my hair fall has stopped a lot. Oh, it's so bad, I didn't notice. Look at it. Look at how dirty the mirror is. Okay, this needs cleaning. So I'm going to clean this today. I will add that to my list. I have already washed my clothes and I am thinking what I need to make for the next 3 days because I want to meal prep. So yeah, I was just analyzing my hair meanwhile my lunch is cooking. So my scalp has also become a little flaky. I was just checking, so it's not dandruff, but it's a bit flaky. Like, see, I'm not sure why. I really need some I think mother wisdom. I'm going to ask my mother what can be done here. Yeah, I didn't really put any products today on my hair, just shampoo and conditioner. This is how it looks. Like it looks a little frizzy. If I want to style my hair, I use a little bit of curl cream and gel also sometimes. So it looks, the curls look a lot better. Like you see this, right? So that's how it looks, but that's wet. If it dries, that will also be frizzy. So I'm just air drying my hair and waiting for my food to cook. I will see you in a few minutes. It is a few minutes later. It's 3:30 and I thought I'll have my lunch because it is cooked. So basically today I wanted soupy, something soupy and hot, so I made this is gourmet spicy. So I wanted to eat something a little bit spicy and hot because I think it will make my throat feel better. So I have, so this is soupy ramen and I have 2 boiled eggs. Yeah, I think I realized it after cooking that it has mushrooms also. Yeah, usually I am cooking this after a long time. Usually I just remove the mushroom pieces when I'm putting it, but I didn't realize it today. So I'm going to have to pick it out while eating, because I don't know, I think with mushrooms I don't know why I have a love-hate relationship. There are days when I like it, there are days when I don't like it, and I am in a phase of not liking mushrooms right now, so I think I don't want to eat that. Yeah, so this will be my lunch and I'm going to enjoy my lunch. And then I have on my agenda today, I want to meal prep. I want to watch tonight's match, so I want to be done with everything before 7:30. So meal prep, I haven't decided what I want to make, so I'm going to think about it. And I have veggies though, but I am not really sure what I want to do. I think yesterday's dinner was too good. Like, I think that is something that usually whenever I eat something from outside, it's like if it's fried or whatever, it affects my throat a little bit. Like, I can feel like it had oil or whatever. But yesterday's food was so good. Like, I want to eat it every day. I want to eat it every day for the rest of my life. Like, it was that good. Like, the sauce had such a balance. Like, it was sweet but like spicy at the same time, just so flavorful. Like, I want to eat that. I want to replicate that exact same thing. And also the rice, I usually cook basmati rice because I like basmati rice, but their rice was different. I was talking to a friend and my friend said maybe there's something called as jasmine rice also, so I don't know. I have eaten Indrayani rice before, and that I feel like tastes, and it has aroma also, so I feel like I can try it with that. So I'm going to have to see. So I don't know what rice that was, but it was, even rice had flavor, like, and not like something that you put in extra, like the rice in itself had flavor. I don't know how. The chicken was good, the veggies were like basically steamed, but it tasted so good with the sauce. Like, I like something crunchy in my food, so it was too good. So I wanna work on that recipe. I think I wanna be able to do something like that, because chef's kiss, like, that dinner was like 100 on 10. I'm going to order that a lot. Not a lot. I think if I'm able to make it at home, it would be better, because it takes around 50 minutes. It was delivered in 50 minutes. Usually whenever I'm ordering, it's like I'm really hungry, I don't really want to cook anything, and I want my food to arrive in like 15 minutes. So I always search for like the nearest restaurant. So if I know it like an hour before, then I would definitely order this, because it was too good. Like, I loved it. And also the portion size, I really like when in one portion size I am full. So I hope that was one portion size, because it was extremely filling. I was very happy yesterday night. So I am going to think about what I want to make For my breakfast, I know it's going to be chia pudding. So that will be my breakfast. For lunch, I am still thinking what I want to do. So lunch and dinner I have to think about. I will think and I will see you later. I am already sweating, so I am going to go and enjoy my lunch and see, and I will see you later. It is 8:50 and I have just been busy meal prepping and just getting ready for the week. I have also been sipping on Gatorade because I wanted something cold. I had this. So I have made my dinner. I have also meal prepped all my meals. So basically for breakfast I have chia pudding for the next 3 days. For lunch I am also having, because I was craving dosa and sambar a few days ago. So I have for dinner dosa and sambar and peanut chutney. But for lunch for the next 3 days I have made idli, which is kind of cooling down right now. So I have sambar and peanut chutney meal prepped. Idli I am going to put when it cools down. What else? For dinner I was not sure what I want to. I mean, I wasn't really sure. I wanted to do chicken, but I'm not really sure. It depends on the mood. I could do eggs as well, but other than that, I think whatever veggies I had, I just basically sauteed all the veggies with like some salt, black pepper, some seasoning, and that's it. It's pretty basic. All the veggies I have just put it in a container and just put it in fridge. And I have prepared mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes have turned out to be really good. Yeah, I am tired today, so I will show all of that tomorrow. So with veggies and mashed potatoes, I will have maybe chicken or eggs depending on my mood. That I will prepare fresh because I can air fry it or I can boil eggs. That's hardly going to take any time. So hopefully I'll be able to manage that. And for dinner, let me show it to you. So I have sambar. This is basically, I added a lot of veggies in sambar also. So there's pumpkin, there's carrots, there's drumstick. So all of that. I have also taken a little bit of peanut chutney. I love peanut chutney. And I have prepared 3 dosas. Very thin, very crispy. Can you hear it? I can hear the match. I wanted to watch the match, but I don't know. I just somehow got late with all the prep, so I have just been peeping in and peeping out. But yeah, I am done with all of that right now. It's very thin. I feel like I would really like it. So I'm going to have this. For dosa batter, I think I have shared it earlier also, but I use this protein-rich idli and dosa batter. I like it. The dosas turn out to be really crispy with this one. Last time I had made idli with this batter, I didn't really like it, but I made bigger idlis. This time I have made smaller idlis, so I'm not sure. There was some issue with the texture last time, so I have tried making mini idlis this time. So let's see. Yeah, dosas I don't have any complaint. I love it. It turns out to be extra crispy. I don't know how, but I'm going to have my dinner now. I think that's all for tonight. I will see you tomorrow.